Create and send tax return delivery. Tax return delivery in TaxDome simplifies how you present completed returns to clients, combining key information, payment details, and signature requests in a single organized package. Instead of sending separate emails with attachments, payment instructions, and follow-up reminders, you can create a structured delivery that guides clients through exactly what they need to review, understand, and complete. Begin by selecting the tax return documents you want to include. From your client's document section, select the tax return file and create tax return delivery based on it. If you're working with multiple documents, select all the files you need. TaxDome automatically merges them into a single PDF. Review your selection, add any missing documents, then name the combined file and choose where to save it. Once your document is ready, you can highlight the most important pages for your client, the information they need before filing. In the Group Pages section, specify which pages contain highlights, payment deadlines, important instructions, or key details that need attention before filing. The Introduction section lets you provide context that helps clients understand their return without additional explanation. Add a descriptive title and any information that guides the client through what they are reviewing. You can format text, include lists, upload images, or embed instructional videos to make complex information clearer. The tax summary provides clients with a clear overview of what they owe, what they're receiving, and when payments are due, all in one place. Select the type of summary you're adding. For taxes owed, specify the authority, federal, state, or city, then enter the amount and payment method. TaxDome automatically provides payment portal links for federal and most state authorities, making it easy for clients to pay online directly through the appropriate portal. If your firm handles the payment or if auto withdrawal is scheduled, you can indicate that instead. Include the due date and any penalties or credits that apply. You can add notes with specific payment instructions if needed. For refunds, specify the authority and overpayment amount. The system automatically calculates what the client will receive based on whether it's applied to next year's tax or being returned. Enable automatic payment reminders to send clients a notification 14 days before their payment deadline. For returns requiring signatures, you can add signature fields directly to specific pages, creating a seamless signing experience. Choose which contacts need to sign. Position the signature field where needed. You can resize it and optionally require knowledge-based authentication for additional security. When you need to ensure payment before clients access their return, you can link the delivery to an invoice. This creates a pay-first workflow where clients complete payment, then immediately access their tax documents and signatures. Select an existing invoice or create a new one. Once linked, clients won't be able to view or download the tax return until they've paid. When everything is ready, send the delivery to your client. You can add a custom message that clients receive via email along with the notification. Add any specific instructions or context in the message field, then confirm the send. Clients see the tax return delivery as an action item in their to-do list. If you've linked an invoice, they'll complete payment first. After payment, clients work through the delivery step by step. They read your introduction, review the tax summary with highlighted pages you selected, then complete any signature requests, all in a single guided flow.